15 seconds before the next clue. Tapos,
Oh. O, paano yan?
ano ba? Yung LC, tapos yung mga pala... Madali lang makuha yan, pre. Medium size water. 1 minute. Choji, si Aishi. Yan, paiba-iba.
Targeter.
After pala nito, ano tayo? Pwede. Pagpalagay mo mga 2 buwan. 3 buwan. September to November. Tapos December yung war. Hanggang Feb. Ayan, si Shiori. Welcome to the stream, pre. Ang clue is large. Large. So, dami mga hatak si dami mga sumasali dun kay Quill. Grabe, sobrang active ng Lakas Araw ngayon mag-post sa groups. 2 minutes. Pag tumunog, alam niyo na yan. Yun. Streamer eggs tayo after ito. Dreamworks. May 45 seconds ka para ma-claim ang inyong premium. Nako.
In the joke about history. I mean, never mind.
Singing. Next round. Para sa 25 LC. Wait lang. Huwag muna kayo umalis. Ilalagay ko na para ano.
How do you know that? Wait, I have a friend that is called, that's name is Amanda in my ballet class.
Sayang streamer eggs.
There or else I'm gonna look on yours.
Maganda pa naman yung bagong itlog, pre.
I'm already looking.
Abot yan, pre. Palaro lang gagawin ko ngayon, ngayon.
Why not? Why are you banned? What happened? Probably you lost your account or you need to update. How do you know that was a spam jumper?
Ayan, post ko sa wait lang. LSG. Grabe, 18k LC. Ang grabe yung presyo ng mga item talaga.
How do you know Simple 325?
Banayad. Wait lang.
That's where I'm school.
Raffle ko na lang yung sa...
Okay guys, okay guys. Oh yeah, Francine. Hi Francine. Francine?
Okay na mga pre. Di na. Puta na, sakto. Not here by my side.
Okay then. Yes.
Ano na to? Straight. KO yata mamaya, pre.
And honor. Bro,
Wala pre, di ko sure kung mag-QA ako ah. Kaya nyo na yan. Para naman ako.
Easy.
Nakakatapad kasi wag race nang magpa-race.
Oh, wait, bro.
Diba? Claim na ba si Rare?
Oh my god, help me find the sheriff.
Ah, hindi ko makita. So, ang hindi pa nagki-claim si Ace.
But, wait, can you
Maganda pala mga laman ng streamer egg. So, hopefully, makakuha kayo na maganda sa mga streamer eggs na napapalalunan nyo. And, tawag doon? Accessories. Marami na shadow accessories tsaka shadow.
That's where I see.
Okay. Thank you sa lahat ng dumaan sa stream mga pre. Rarakol ko yung ano.
So I guess for the opposite.
Si crazy. That's crazy.
Okay. Okay. But you yet watched it.
Siyempre, T1 is T1. Pero naman talaga yun. Ayun si Boss Sandro. Baria, say that you remember. In September. Nakaraan si ano eh. Si Jojo eh. Mananalo kaya si Atong.
Like, what do you wanna play for it, like?
Baka meron kayong mga megaphone box dyan mga pre. Baka pwede nyo na isalya sa akin yung megaphone box nyo. Map nung robot. Ayun, naulaan niya ano. E_EA2S. Pa-claim mga par.
No, so it means to remember those times that I love.
Wait lamang. Papalaro ako, nagkuha lang ako ng listahan ng
Your
ano,
favorite nights, Aya? Gini?
subscriber tsaka ng ano to.
Wait.
Ito po.
I know there's a hack. I think.
Ay, hindi, mail ko na lang.
I'm trying to print. I'm just. Okay, this is gonna be fun, right?
Hulaan nyo. Siguro dahil mukha na siyang itila, alam nyo na, demi-human siya. So, clue na yun. Human, medium, neutral. Huwag in-game palaro, lugi ako si. Sige, pwede naman in-game tsaka ano, in-game tsaka fake. Silip-silip lang ginagawa ko kasi. Masyado nakakapaglaro.
Oh no, I found.
Mid-October. September, Trans. October, Season 1 Championship. Season 2, December. So may off season ng because I need to put it back on my personal Facebook.
Daddy, thank you.
Ayun, si Aishi. Guys, I always wanted this and it's not a... Mga viewers na mag-stay hanggang sa end ng stream, tara paraffle natin yung Loti. Sayang din yun, may mga magaganda din nakukuha sa Loti.
It's just been playing. Oh, I'm getting scared.
Okay na.
Wait, who's Leah? I don't know. Can you remove them? I don't know.
Wala ng top fan dyan mga pre. Pag wala, edi sa mga viewer raffle tayo ngayon.
What do you mean?
Hindi po ako,
Ano yan?
sir. Hindi
Oh,
pala
hindi.
yung pre.
Online talaga.
So next year, sure ball port jump na pre. Mabilis lang yun.
Don't move a single inch.
Sabi kasi ni Jess eh. Ni Jess. Pero kasi noon, yung setup, yung mga level 5, level 4 weapons na pang third jump. Nasa
You don't know. Oh, it's a super button. It's actually
first to chat sa pub. Yan, punta lang kayo sa upper front mga pre. Mga gustong sumali. Paputa ganun.
okay. Fine. Let's chill.
XG. Naglilista na ako ah. Wait lang. Palaro tayo, palaro. Oh, pre. Tayo, di ko din alam eh. First.
No,
25 seconds left.
no.
Master Cruel ang puta. Walang master pre. Pakwit na nga eh. Eh. Mergy, may 45 seconds ka to claim kung nandiyan ka. 45 seconds para kay Merchi.
It's a long time.
Kaya pasok lang lahat ng gustong sumali. Hanap lang ako ng mobs.
I actually went back outside. I actually teleported to your backyard.
Hot storage, sun, pedi, wow. Tsaka si, ano to?
Get spawn your car here. Then drive it. Wait, I will use it. Ayun, drive it na lang.
Yung sunod-sunod naman yan eh.
Your eyes being
16, 17, 18. Basta pababa.
or whatever I want.
Ayan. Goods. Koto ko, padi. 1 minute na lang yung clue natin, yung pagitan. So, after 1 minute, lalakyan ko pa ng onti yung picture, tapos 1 minute ulit. Yun, no? Salamat sa 8 viewers natin. Yun, no, persona. Notify. Paulo Ebora, thank you. Notify IG. Grave Worm, goods. Grave Worm, pre. Nauna si Chodan. Grave Worm. Ang sagot. Grave Worm. Yun lang, ano lang ako, yung lista lang ako.
Wait, you're running so fast.
It seems Jenny's smoking scandal may have legal consequences. A news outlet reported that a family
Ayun, Atong, deal mo ako sa front, yung Den BM. Padil ako.
Can we play Berry Crystal now? It's actually a boring game. That's a server where people get bored.
Yung level. Madali na siyang i-search.
Funny. Just asking.
Ayun, si Jojo.
Stop using it! Okay,
Pre,
I forgot this.
level na lang siguro.
Right.
O, pag tumunog yung timer, tas wala pa nakakahula.
There. Yo, that.
Tele lang ng tele, pre. Mga pang nananalo. Okay, bilis lang ng... Ano else, Jewel? Ano yan, pre?
Tell me who won.
made and was seen in Italy to investigate Jenny for smoking.
Ayan, pre.
More started reacting angrily. One fan said Jenny needs to be.
I just ran over Johnny. How? How do you escape this place?
iPhone, please.
At least I left.
Pulista lang ako. Foods.
You. You found someone there in the thing? I found. No, I saw someone there.
Wait lang.
Oh, good.
I wonder how we got this. Okay, Boss Jemuel. Okay, kanino to akan eh? Ang swerte pre. Sakto. Ila face worm to, diba? Boss Randolph, shout out sa'yo.
Wala?
Si Kotoko. Kotoko, malapit na. Very warm. Sureball, mahuhulaan niyo to. Kasi di ba yung streamer egg, bago na yung laman. Tama? Out the city, pre. Wala nang hahabol para sa streamer egg raffle natin.
Yeah, well. Bro, we're switching accounts. That's crazy.
You make me teenage dream. Wala pre, malabo siguro 25 LC per round sa Guess the Monster. Kamusta naman server mga pre? Oh, yesterday. Saan ba? Para makita nyo agad. Close, ano ko na lang.
You know, did you know while you were absent last December, I actually sat in your suite and then I was watching with Rina.
Pero ano, wait lang ah. Magdo-double.
Right? Yeah. We're trying to trick my friend. Wait, I see many money. Tell me who's the bird and tell them if they're trying to target.
Bilang dun eh.
Yeah.
Si Namrepus siya, si Penny ang next. 11 seconds para sa kanila. Okay lang yan, pre. Mahal kasi na megaphone box, 50 LC.
So I saw a YouTuber that is called Dylan Anderson. That's literally that.
Si Marig na kasama sa new. Di ko nga rin alam kung paano setup ng pre. Hoy si Merchi, welcome to the stream Merchi. Ayan, dito ako sa ano pre, sa Aruna Felt Castle.
One thing, one here. Johnny can be a party.
Aro Guild.
Johnny can be party.
So after 5 minutes, lalakihan ko ulit yung square. LC. Talibin sa pulo.
Diba?
Wala tayong supply. O sige, mamigay tayo. LSG. Guys, notify lang kayo. Raffle tayo mamaya.
No. I don't want to.
Hailey ka na, Baro.
Wait, you have to check because someone might be using your phone. For me, I'm just trying to find some things like reasons to my account. Yeah.
Ayun. Nice. Uy, nagtele. Puta na.
Ayo.
Palaro tayo. Check ko lang kung ano mga bago. KOE kayo, di ba? Wednesday. Kaya nyo na yan, pre.
Right there.
Si Mini, nag-claim na ba si Mini?
Bro, someone tried to target.
Ayun, si Mini. Si Aishi, si Kikuchi pala auto-win. Si Tagums, si Triggerman, tsaka si Rare. Wala pa din nakakakuha.